So I wanted to do a quick review of this TikTok viral three-piece set. It includes a sports bra, a jacket, and some leggings. This is the largest size. This is a size 3X. However, it says it translates to a US 16. However, I see people of all different sorts of sizes wearing this. So I wanted to see what it would look like on a pear-shaped body like mine. I do have very wide hips. These are a little over 60 inches, and this is sort of where I thought it might not fit the best. As you can see, it is really cute, right? So it is an inexpensive three-piece set. However, here are the upsides and here are the downsides. So upsides, really pretty color, good price. It's cute. It does a great job at cinching the waist and giving you a nice shape. Downsides, it depends who you ask if these are downsides. You can definitely see my belly button through the leggings. I might have to like stuff it with toilet paper so then you can't like fully see my belly button. Has any other chubby lady ever done that before? And you can definitely see my underwear through the leggings because they are a little bit see-through. And then I guess this little like butt indentation is like okay. It really depends on like how you're shaped. You can definitely see all of my cellulite in my butt because the fabric is thin. It really just depends what kind of vibe you're going for, if you like that vibe and how that looks, or if you would like a thicker fabric. Overall, I think it's a good piece to maybe lounge around the house in. I do not know if I would wear this at the gym. I don't know if I'm confident that this would not like rip as I'm doing something. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this, you can check out my TikTok and I have linked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.